Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Welcome back, everybody. Today is June 16th, and as you know, we got bloody markets out there. We're going to stop and review the charts. We're going to review the analysis. We're going to see what's going on in the news. We're going to hop into the charts to analyze them. And we're going to do some shout outs. We're going to talk about altcoins and a couple different things today. So stick around for some crypto news. Today's overall cryptocurrency market cap coming in at $910 billion, below the $1 trillion mark. 24-hour volume coming in at 103.9 billion. Bitcoin sitting at 20.995K, down 3% today on the 24-hour. Ethereum at 1,099, down 3.83%. US Tether market cap below 70 billion at 69 billion. 24-hour volume 73 billion. US dollar coin right now market cap at 54 billion. 24-hour volume is 8.6 billion. BNB at $215.13, pulled back 0.5%. Binance USD in the mix, in the race. Market cap 17.5 billion. 24-hour volume 6.8 million. Cardano coming in at 49 cents. It's up actually 4% on the day. XRP at 31 cents, up 2% on the day. Solana at 31, up 8% on the day. So all coins are on the move right here. Number 9, 10, and 11, you got 10. Dogecoin, market cap at 7.5 billion. Solana, market cap 10.8 billion. Okay, Solana actually is 2.4 billion in volume today. Okay, so you can see these 20 to 30% pullbacks on the 7-day, and they're picking up 5, 7, 8, almost 10% on the 24-hour for the altcoins. Jump into the regular S&P markets, guys. And overall in the S&P markets today, as you can see, in the pre-market, we did gap down. And when we gapped down, the market had started off. We're going to hop into this in a moment. Jump into the regular S&P markets, guys. Okay. Just stopping by the chat. Mad love to you guys. Let's hit the charts. Like and sub to the channel. Okay. So you can just, if you scroll on back, you can see what we were talking about. So the overall S&P market, you can see, is actually pulling down, and we were talking about that in our other videos if you did follow us. But you can see the S&P is damn near heading for this M0 pivot zone at 363, down actually 3% right now. So that's pretty crazy. That's gonna actually pull. That's what's the force against Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin on the charts. I'm looking at the 30-minute right now, and I'm using the hybrid system as Trader's Reality indicator. You can use that. You can find it in the indicators. It gives you everything you need if you want to listen to the TA breakdown that we're gonna do right now. You can see the 50 EMA right here riding at the 30 minutes. It's right below the 50 EMA. It is below. You can see that we were at, okay, yeah, it's 21.1, and then it wicked out here at 20.7. So right now, on this 30-minute candlestick, okay, 10 more minutes to close. If we close up inside this box, let's see how they're going to pull volume. Let's hop into the 1-hour chart here, and you can see how Bitcoin attempted to pull up to that 50 EMA on the 1 hour. And we talk about this a lot in our videos. Don't forget to smash the like. When you were below the 50 EMA on these shorter time frames, that's what we start looking at for entry points. And we always want to go above the 50 EMA, okay? And you want to see it right above and retest it to continue to the upside. But what we're seeing right now is we went above it and we just had a straight pullback to recover these vector candles right here. You see these guys? So it's recovering these vectors right here. Now, will we see some movement towards the daily open? I don't know. Let's see how the rest of the day goes, and let's hop into some more information for you guys. So you can see the S&P is at 367.7, down 11.3. Gold right now actually pulled back, and then it had like a the shooting star. It kind of looks like, if you could correct me if so, I think that's what we have to look that up and go through that again. That's a boomer moment for you guys. But you can see the rising volume on the 1 hour, and I was like, oh my god, it's pulling back, but then they pulled it right back up to the moving average for the day, right back to see how they're going for the daily open right now. US 10-year yields at 3.4. Bitcoin dominance at 45%, so it did pull back a bit, and US tether dominance picked up, so that means that we're selling into USDT. The dollar index right now at 104. Okay, so it did have some of a pullback. That's what we want to see. We want to see that. That's good for Bitcoin. So that's something that we want to see. Ethereum. Now we're talking about Ethereum. This is the daily chart. You can see that we did pull over and we did pull and cross these moving averages here. A lot of pressure, downwards pressure. You can see one leg, two leg. Where is our third leg? Are we going to stop here at the 1,000? Or are we going to recover some of these early times, these vectors that are all the way back here in 2021? So we can return to levels below sub $1,000 range, I would say at the 920. But if you come in here and you see where the top was right there, 743, so 800 around that time too. So those are some levels that would be the next if Ethereum doesn't hold here. We're well below that moving average. Those are my entries. I like these levels. I would have thought right here before we had the markets, but we did pull back more from that point, and these moving averages are screaming to the downside. Okay, so BNB, mad love to BNB. I actually did accumulate more BNB at these prices here, so I did end up picking more BNB up here. It's just, yeah, I feel like it's a steal at this price, $200. It was at 600. That's a 3x back to the 600, and if it hits a new all-time high in the bullish market, and you can DCA easily on BNB here. Fast, easy transactions on the market. So definitely something I was looking into. So depending on where the market's going, you can see this blue candle here. These are the daily charts. This is the longer term looking here, and so for BNB, I definitely think BNB can see some $300 price range. If we get some bullish action on Bitcoin. XRP, man, we talk about XRP in every single video. We are XRP holders. You can see that once we broke below that 58 cent, we pulled down to the 40s, and we were like, okay, let's do some more DCA at the 40, and then we hit the 30. So now we DCA at the 30. We have some blue candles here on those two dailies, and then now we're coming back down to the bottom point of those wicks. Let's see how the market conditions continue, but XRP definitely bullish, and you guys can see, you can follow all the different news going on there. We're gonna hop into some coin glass charts for you guys. We're gonna look at the different liquidation points and different things on the chart, and see the delta, how many people go long, people go short. We'll jump into that real quick. And looking at the overall stock markets, S&P down, Dow, Nasdaq, everything's down. VIX is going up. VIX is the fear in the market. Okay, Dow tumbles. After yesterday's meeting, we didn't stream yesterday. We have a very busy day, guys. So you can see the FOMC did do the rate hike. Okay, so the rate hike, easy. You can see. Federal Reserve raises interest rates by 0.75. So they were calling for it, and they did do it. But now people are like, okay, well, they did it, and then why did it pull back again today? Bitcoin news. Okay, you can see. all the different newses, taxes on top concern behind Bitcoin salaries. Yeah, so definitely that's something that we saw actually a lot in the news. Let's go back here to get some of the newer ones, I think here. Okay, yeah. Banking uses 56 times more energy than Bitcoin. Interesting. Yes, that definitely would be true. Bank of Russia backs cross-border crypto payments. Builders rejoice. Expert why bear markets are good for Bitcoin because they shake out all those scammers, they shake out all the spammers, they shake out all the weak hands, and you know what, they try to get you to huddle on certain things, but guys, you got to make sure that you always lower your average prices and DCA your cost in. Don't buy into the FOMO and the hype, man. These markets are, when you're grabbing those bottoms and the capitulation points, man, that's where you make the money. All right, so definitely some stuff to follow there. So we could take it from there. Hop on the live stream crypto news for crypto news. Okay. And then let's go ahead and take a look at some trending meme coins. Check this out. Let's see. Shout out to Piggy Inu, man. Definitely been out there, a nice holding range, especially in these markets. Very bullish project. Let's go ahead and look at the website real quick and just do a quick shout out to Piggy Inu. Mad love to them. It's just really cool to see some of these meme coins now. Like these are like some of the coins that you just got to make sure you get into the right project, do your own research, DCA. Always check what you're rocking out. But there's some pretty cool stuff here. The NFTs, the different partnerships, the banks. They got the CoinGecko, the Coin Market Cap. They got the trending. So definitely some interesting stuff here. Hop on over to the Telegram page. We're there all day, every day, rocking out to the moon. There you go. That's for all your Piggy Inu lovers. If you know what you're talking about, smash them likes if you love it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and continue down some analysis. So Dogecoin at the 5 cent mark, you can see right here. It looks like we had a nice little stopping volume. So let's see if the market's picked up for you Doge holders out there. I know you guys want it right back rough to the 60 cent level. Let's see if we can get that for you guys. But right now, looks like Doge is going to sit here for a little bit. And I would say the 8 cent would be a lookout level for me from 5 cents to 8 cents if I was going to go long. If I was going to short Dogecoin, I wouldn't do it right now. I would wait for a top to happen when you pull above that moving average on the 1 hour or the half hour, whatever you're trading. If you're trading that way, down below in the description and in the links, I'm going to drop the Femex link. You guys can sign up to the Femex and use that code. There's $4,100 bonus deposit bonuses. If you use my link when you sign up, you'll get those bonuses and you'll see them right there on the page. And then you can also link in and get people to sign up with your link too. Go ahead, smash it back. We'll rock out together. Don't forget to smash the likes there. Cardano at 48. Hold on, let me have some coffee. Cardano 48 cents. Let me get live. Let me see forward. Live crypto news. I'm just dropping into chat. Okay. There's a lot of play to earn gaming projects out there. One of the shout outs I wanted to do is War of Tribes. They have a really awesome game. The game is out right now. Just once people start picking up on this game and they see how cool it is, and then you could play to earn and run around. You can check my videos out, and it's pretty cool, man. The team's solid, and right now, just the market's been down, and now that the market's going to be sitting there, and you're looking for those great entries to get in, come check this project out, man. They've been around for almost a year now, and you can pretty much go all the way back into the history and talk to them in the chat. So this is one of those play to earn games. There's definitely a lot of different stuff out there. If we go here and we look at like today's biggest gainers, okay, you have some stuff in here. Piggy Inu the other day was trending also, and then we use Coin Gecko, right? Ooh, use CoinGecko for. Oh, I spelled that wrong. My bad. Okay. And then yeah, CoinGecko. All right, we wanted to tell you about CoinGlass. So Bitcoin right now. Let's see what the funding rates are. So it looks like a lot of people are going long. Besides here, more short. So there is a balance in the market right now. I want to look at the BNB. Let's first look at the Ethereum balance here. So Ethereum's more short. It kind of looks like USDT. Yeah, but yeah, positive funding rates. Solana. Solano seems balanced. Tron, the USD, yeah, the DPEG, but now people are bullish on Tron. Interesting. We'll have to look into that. Let's go ahead and look into Tron news. TRX. And let's just type TRX news. Tron reserve withdrawals 2.5 billion TRX from Binance to safeguard. Oh, cause so they're really bullish because they see that they're trying to save the peg. There's a long history behind this guy. Hey man, I guess he was just trying to do business, man. A lot of people shoot him down, and it kind of looks like he tries to do things, but then some people say things are shady. You just got to look into the things that are being done and the reasons why they're being done, and you make your own educated decision upon that. So here's CoinDesk, and yeah. So let's see, Grayscale. Nice premium rates, so they're in the negative. ETF, the data, loan rates, CME, long short report. So the long short report in the pluses spreads. They okay, commercial, long, short. Interesting. Total, non-reportable. Yeah, interesting. So there's a plus in the market right now. There's a lot of different. Let's see what the open interest is. The open interest across the market right now is actually who, yeah, there's some high. Look at the open interest here. So there's some big open interest on the market right now, especially with the Bitcoin price. Do you see the Bitcoin price? And the open interest is higher than the price part right there. So there's definitely money on the sidelines into the market ready to go into Bitcoin to pull it back to these levels. So if you look at the open interest that like Bitcoin had before it pulled up to those levels and see how it kind of started to go into it, well, we had a whole accumulation area and a whole balance at that 30k, and now we're down at the 20k, and you could see in the book map there's thousands of Bitcoin at the $20,000 level sitting right now. Okay, so if we hop back into Bitcoin, that's why Bitcoin was trying to tap those levels. Okay, hold on. What did I just do? I just drew on the chart. So Bitcoin was trying to tap those levels here. Get that out of auto. Pull this up. Let me turn this off so you guys can, visualize. Let's see the volume. So the volume here looks like it picked up. Yeah, it looks like volume is rising from today. Yeah. So interesting. So we have volume rising here. Let's check out EMA ribbon. So we pulled below the EMA ribbon, obviously, when Bitcoin had this move to the downside, and now we're just sitting here figuring out our fate. Okay, guys, so that's pretty cool. Don't forget to smash the like. We got all our different videos out there. We got some new stuff. We did some videos for passive income, yield farming, baby swap. Man, as always, still into baby swap. We got our gaming videos, much more. I'm gonna restructure. I'm gonna add some new. We're gonna start doing some new content. If you guys have any ideas, or if you guys want to add some content and you want to contribute to the channel, just go ahead and look up the about section. You can see about, and you can see an email, or you could find me at Jay's Strategies in any of the shouted out projects all over Telegram, and then you guys can hit me up at Telegram, and then you could also hit me on Twitter too. Comment on one of my tweets, whatever, get my attention. That's probably the best way to do it because there's just a lot of people to deal with, and you guys know how that is. I'm just trying to bring you guys the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. So, guys, mad love and respect to you guys. Okay. Remember, today, take a breather, take a second off the charts, stretch, relax, have a good lunch, chill, come back to the charts with an open mind, do some portfolio management, and just rock out, man. Stop by, say hello, man. Until the next time, guys. We're bringing you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Until the next time.